Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready, including high-protein flour, yeast, water, and a touch of sweetener. Next, gather your kitchen tools like a stand mixer, large bowls, and baking sheets. This preparation is key to a smooth process, setting the stage for delicious homemade bagels. We'll cover each step thoroughly, from mixing to baking, ensuring your success. Now, let's create the dough. In a large bowl, combine your high-protein flour, water, active dry yeast, and a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a clean surface. Knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise until doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into equal portions, typically around 4 ounces each. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then create a hole in the center, stretching it to form a classic bagel shape. Next, boil these shaped bagels for about 1 minute per side in a pot of simmering water with a tablespoon of malt syrup or sugar. This crucial step gives bagels their characteristic chewiness. After boiling, transfer your bagels to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. If desired, sprinkle them with your favorite toppings, such as sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything bagel seasoning. Bake in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Let them cool on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying your fresh homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.